Hi, this is Karen with WTI, and this is the baby changing pad Keekaroo. This is a game changer product. My almost 8-month grandson fits here perfectly. I really like the design. It's really thin, not heavy, it's a lightweight. I like the inclination that it has in case an accident happens and the liquids go downwards, making it easy to clean. The strong, sturdy outer shell makes it water resistant, which limits bacterial growth, but at the same time is made out of a Durasoft BPA-free non-toxic material, which makes it really comfortable for the baby. And because it's such a lightweight, I can take it around the house. I put it sometimes in the couch whenever I need to change the baby, and it won't sleep, and I don't have to worry about any stains. And that's my point of view.